Every week of the season, all over Britain, thousands of footballs get kicked around whilst millions watch. In all weathers, the poor, harmless pill receives a bashing, kicked, knocked, trodden on, chased up and down the field, and for what? So that someone now and then can score a goal. It's a gruelling test for both leather and workmanship. Alf Marshall, working in one of London's oldest football factories, has been at the job for 35 years and is here seen rough cutting the panels from carefully chosen hides, the first stage in football manufacture. After trimming, the panels are stretched through rollers. This helps to take the stretch out of the leather, which means the ball will keep its shape that much longer. Now the panels can be stamped out in their final size. It takes 2.5 to 3 square feet of hide to make one ball, the best being made from the butt or centre portion. British hides are the ideal choice for the purpose. There are no set rules about the number of panels, but nowadays 12 or 18 are usual. The more panels, the less risk of stretching, which is further reduced by beating out the leather, or canking as it's called. Hand sewing of panels gives the best results, and Jim Gosling believes in his own thread, which he makes from 5 strands of flax twisted into one and waxed. Held in a clamp, the panels are sewn inside out and take roughly 500 stitches. A 12-paneled ball will take as long as an hour and a half. It's unlikely that balls of more than 18 panels will ever be produced, for the enormous seam length would make them too expensive. Sewing complete, the inverted panels are next laid on an iron foot, as it's called, and the seams hammered out flat. During the war, all these craftsmen were employed in making airmen's helmets and flying togas. Bill Woods now takes over the completed ball and, with bladder inserted, starts to inflate until a pressure of 12 pounds per square inch is reached. When finished, it's tested for shape and stitching. So, if your pools let you down, don't blame the ball.